Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Children, do you remember that last time we did an activity? And that was? Yes, it was threading beads activity. Children, I have seen your pictures and videos. You all were doing it perfectly. Good job. Clap for yourself. Amazing. Today we are going to do another interesting activity, but before that you have to learn that how should we hold a spoon. So for this you need a spoon. Just go and bring a spoon for yourself. But don't forget to ask from your mother first. Just go and ask from your mother and then bring a spoon for the activity. Just remember that whenever you are going to hold a spoon in your hand, you have to use your right hand. You have to use your right hand. Okay, let me tell you the fingers name first. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky finger. So before holding a spoon, you have to fold these three fingers like this, because this and this place is the relaxing place, sporting place for the spoon. Like you can hold the spoon like this here. And after that you have to put your finger here, index finger here and thumb here. Like, let me settle it. Like this. This is the proper way to hold a spoon. If you will hold the spoon like this is totally incorrect. So whenever you are going to hold a spoon, you have to fold these three last fingers like this. This index finger should be at the top, thumb should be here. Let me do it again. Yes. This is the exact way of holding a spoon. Good. Just hold it like this. Good. Okay children, here we are going to start our today's activity, and it is spooning beans activity. As you can see that here I have a mat, tray, spoon, a bowl filled with beans and an empty bowl. Instead of these beans, you can use rice or any other grain. Fine. So you can see that I have placed the spoon and the bowl filled with the beans on my right hand side. So you have to place these two things on your right side and empty bowl on your left side. घर में आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है ना, whenever you are going to fill your own plate or on bowl, तो आपकी मदर क्या कहती हैं कि no, I will fill the plate for you because you may drop some pieces of grains or rice on the floor. So after practicing this activity, inshallah, you will be able to fill your plate by yourself. So first of all, you have to hold the spoon in your right hand like this, and then fill your spoon like this. Balance your spoon and then put it into another bowl without making a hard sound. Yes. Now go back. Fill your spoon again. Balance the grains. Balance the beans like this. And put it into another bowl. So here I'm going to do it again. You have to do it very carefully. So just do it like this. Balance your spoon and put it on in the bowl like this. So here I am transferring the beans from one bowl to another bowl, and this activity is called spooning beans. This activity is called spooning beans. Balance your spoon, put it into another bowl. Yes. Now here I'm going to fill my spoon again. Just do it like this and put it into another bowl. Yes, excellent. So in this way you can fill another bowl. Yes, now I'm going to do it again like this. Yes. Okay. Okay, here you can see that only few naughty beans are left. So I'm going to... Yes, please, beans, come into my spoon. Yes, please, please. Okay, that's great. Now I'm going to put these beans here. Clap for me. I did it. And children, I know कि आप सब लोग भी एक्टिविटी कर सकते हैं और बहुत नाइसली कर सकते हैं. Now you have to observe me carefully. Fine. And I'm going to do this activity quietly. Means I'm going to do this activity without making a noise. Children, first bring a mat, place it on the table or on the floor. Then put the material on the mat, a tray with a spoon and two bowls. One bowl filled with grains, beans or rice, and other bowl should be empty. First observe the activity, practice it, put the material back, and then share your pictures or videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.